ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MDC Khlem hagajo kapor ubadairu MLA bat unang yalam galiang persya hapo yang dorbar tau an gajilla ula ai gajinyero ya ka executive committee jong ka KHADC hapo gajinyalam jong uba penyait sings im kum UCEM habaya kren bat kilat patai kubor uba Roni V Lengdo ula penpau bala palat laipo Snem kaladon gajing penbet renti yaki Constituency ki bahap hapo upu usam jong ka Autonomous District Council jong gajilla.
You see, now they've set up a delimitation committee, and I believe that is also an autonomous body. Let us see if they complete their work. Then it's up to the state government what the decision they come up with, whether to hold elections or not. But then the delimitation committee, even the court, I believe somebody has submitted a writ petition. Even the court said we cannot interfere in this election process. And for your information, I think it's been more than 30 years since we had, a delimitation in the district council constituencies. I'd just like to share, there are some constituencies, just about 10,000-12,000 voters. There are some constituencies about 50,000. Don't you think these have got to be, realigned so that it's not a question of only, schemes. It's a question, for example, I'll just give you an example. Suppose now a village, in the MLA constituency it falls another constituency, and in the MDC constituency it falls another constituency. Suppose now there are issues to do with traditional laws. Well, don't you think it will come to conflict? The MLA may agree, the MDC may not agree. Or the MDC may agree, the MLA may not agree. But then if it so happens that we can come up more or less that we have 29 MLA constituencies, 29 MDC constituencies, except maybe in Shillong City. In the rural constituencies, you can come up with the same constituency for both MLA and MDC. In that way, there will be no conflict.
But Baroni, many have questioned the timing of this delimitation committee.
Then you should believe the previous EC. Why didn't they come up with? So I should appreciate the EC of Phiah Singh in this matter of few months. He's thought it wise, to have a delimitation committee to ensure that, regarding implementation of the 6th schedule is really done in letter and spirit. I would express my appreciation to the present EC who thought it wise to have the delimitation. Unless you do it now, you'll have to do it someday. So why not to do it now? So we should blame the previous EC. Why didn't they? Because I think they had about 3 years or 4 years. Why didn't they think about it then?